Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to confirm you actually have a low priority penalty and begin fixes immediately. Open the client and check your account status. If a penalty is shown, note duration and reason. Once confirmed, run the client repair tool and install any pending updates. Make sure to quit overlays and bandwidth-heavy apps, switch to a wired connection, and avoid VPNs. These steps remove transient causes and get you ready for the next corrective actions without wasting time. You must resolve the underlying behavior or connection problems that cause the queue. If the penalty requires completing reform tasks or waiting a set time, do that while you fix technical issues. Update network and GPU drivers, test packet loss, and adjust MTU if needed. These stop disconnects that trigger penalties. Once done, lower latency-sensitive visuals in settings and enable automatic reconnect. These changes reduce future infractions and shorten your path out of low priority. When the penalty period ends, validate your fixes by completing several full matches. You must avoid leaving or AF king for at least 5 to 10 games to rebuild trust. If the low priority queue still appears, gather client repair output, network logs, timestamps, and a clear description, then contact support. Finally, if things go wrong again, reproduce the failure in a controlled test, capture logs, and iterate on connection or behavior fixes. This evidence speeds resolution and prevents repeat penalties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.